Again, happy birthday, Tita. I love you from the heart.
Have a blessed happy birthday, Tita. Wishing you lots of happiness, prosperity, good fortune, and everything you are hoping for. Have a fantastic day and awesome life ahead. Enjoy your special day. Ingat ka palagi. God bless. Love you, Tita.
Happy birthday, Tita. I wish you to have our pleasant smile, happiness, and love. I pray to God will grant you a long life, good health, and more birthdays to come. We love you and God bless. Love you. God bless.
Hello tita, happy golden birthday. O yan, obvious naman naka-yellow gold pa. Okay, wish ko para sa'yo, sana lagi kang masaya, good health. Sana makayanan mo lahat ng pagsipit sa buhay. Isipin mo na lagi kami nandito para sa'yo. We love you. And God bless.
Tita Lori, happy golden birthday. More years to celebrate. Peace, love, and good health. Enjoy your day, Tita. God bless you, and we love you.
Hello, tita. Happy 50th birthday to you. I love you so much. Sana lahat tayo ay matupad natin ang mga pangarap natin. Ingat ka lagi dyan, tita. I love you so much. Happy 50th birthday. Enjoy your day and God bless, tita. I love you.
Good evening. Have a nice birthday, Tita Lori. Wishing you always in good health and many more birthdays to come. God bless you and thank you for everything. Bye, Tita. Sana lagi kang malakas. Sana di ka magbabago sa amin at sa ating mga pamilya.
Happy birthday, Tita! More birthdays to come. Stay healthy.
God bless.
From the family love. Happy birthday, Lori! More birthdays to come. God bless. We love you.
Happy birthday. Kapaila ko madami mo pa 100 years na nag-birthday. Kapaila ko ang sana manglilipat. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Happy birthday. Merry Christmas niya.
Then, may you have birthdays to come. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. Adeng, I love you. Adeng, happy birthday. More birthday ba? Tapal ako matakwa. Nakakapay ti Adong. Masot pa yung parang birthday niya ako. Ingat. Saling ko. Love you. Happy birthday ba, Adeng? More birthdays to come. Saan ka
Happy
magkala?
birthday, Adeng. Ang luwag kang arugan.
Saan ka? Golden birthday ba yun niya, Deng? Love you. Yung usapan ngayon natin, tutuloy mo rin ba sa ano? Happy birthday ulit. I love you. More birthdays to come,
Happy
Manang.
birthday, more blessing.
More blessing. Teka, singkot
And
niya
good-
ating May.
Good health always.
Ay, ingat. Hanggang nagdalita ah.
Kablawang ka, itin saya at naragsa na ingkakalagpasan na. Sapay ka nga, kanyapot tayo ang nakalagwa, kahit at na ayon, iki nasaya at naragsa, kirag, al-naragsa. Kaya, parabor kan sakripisyo, sa kami ditoy nga buong pamilya agay-ayat ken ka nga kanayon ken mangikarkararag ka kanayon kinaako iti kaligtasan dita. Ma magayat ka ken ayatan ka nga nga iti palbiag ko. Happy golden birthday ma. And God bless you always. God bless you. Enjoy your day. At ingat palagi. Bye-bye.